Hey guys, thought I'd do a how-to video on how to remove your door panel and install new speakers. Alright, you can start off by removing this little panel here. And I'm just going to use a screwdriver, but it may not be the best way. But just pull that out. And then behind it you got a screw. After that, you're going to take the screw out of the armrest area. And once you get the two screws out, you just reach under and you try to pop. And sometimes these fasteners will break, but you just gotta get them off. Once you get all the clips off, just undo these two connectors in here. And if the fasteners get stuck in here, you want to take them out and put them back in the door panel for when you put the door panel back on. Once you get done taking all the fasteners for the door panel off, go ahead and disconnect the speaker connector, and then get a 10mm socket and undo the 4 bolts holding the speaker mount in. And then you'll probably have to pry off the speaker mount. There's your speaker. So we're going to end up using the mount, but not the speaker, obviously. So I'm going to start off by cutting the speaker wires, and then cutting out the speaker itself. You can actually just peel this out once you've cut a hole in it. Then I'll go ahead and cut the supports off. And then take your rotary tool and cut out the spots that you marked. Place your speaker back in, see if it fits. And then get a drill and drill some holes. all drilled, go ahead and get some screws. Maybe a good idea to cut some of the inside. Once you've fastened the speaker to the mount, go ahead and connect up some wires from the speaker to the mount connector in whatever your preferred way. The positive is on the left and negative on the right, so just keep that in mind. After connecting your speaker wire, go ahead and put the speaker back on the door with the 4 bolts, and then remember to connect your connector, and after that just pop the door panel back on and tighten up those 2 screws, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna get myself down.